Give me your A letter from mom and dad. My child, when I get old, I hope you understand and have patience with me. In case I break a plate or spill soap on the table, I'm losing my eyesight. I hope you don't yell at me. Older people are sensitive, always having self-pity when you yell. When my hearing gets worse and I can't hear what you're saying, I hope you don't call me deep. Please repeat what you said or write it down. I'm sorry, my child. I'm getting older. When my knees get weaker, I hope you have the patience to help me get up. Like how I used to help you while you were little. Learning how to walk. Please bear with me. When I keep repeating myself like a broken record, I hope you just keep listening
Kita
to
ko na
me.
sa YouTube.
Please don't make fun of me or get sick of listening to me. Do you remember when you were little and you wanted a balloon? You repeated yourself over and over until you got what you wanted. Please also pardon my smell. I smell like a canal. Please don't force me to shower. My body is weak. Older people get sick easily when they are old. I hope I don't gross you out. I used to chase you around because you didn't want me to shower. I hope you can be patient with me. When I'm always cranky, it's all part of getting old. You understand when you're older, and if you have spare time, I hope I can talk. Even a few minutes. I'm always all by myself all the time. And I have no one to talk to. I know you're busy with your work. When the time comes and I get ill and bedridden, I hope you have a patience to take care of me. I'm sorry if I accidentally wake the bed or make a mess. I hope you have the patience to take care of me during the last few moments of my life. I'm not going to last much longer anyway. When the time of my death comes, I hope you hold my hands and give the strength to face death. And don't worry, when I finally meet our Creator, I will whisper in His ear to bless you because you love your mom and dad. Thank you so much for your care. We love you. With much love, mom and dad.